Yes, be ready. Start. The government order dated 17/8/2002 clearly provides for selection of fair price shop agent for a village panchayat by a resolution of the village panchayat in its open meeting. Stop. A limited exception to this normal rule in public interest has been provided in para bracket 11 of the aforesaid government order, which authorizes district magistrate to direct for allotment of fair price shop on recommendation of committee constituted as per the government orders under the chairmanship of the UP Jiladhikari, where a village panchayat either does not pass a resolution or where there arises dispute in passing resolution. Stop. Except in these two circumstances, district magistrate or the committee constituted under the chairmanship of UP Jiladhikari have no authority to make allotment of fair price shop in any village panchayat without resolution of the village panchayats in its open meeting as per statutory provisions, including Rule 46, 46A and 46B of the UP Panchayat Rule Raj Rules 1947. Stop. Having clarified the legal position as aforesaid, now I proceed to examine the validity of appointment of the respondent number 7 stanza. It appears that the district level selection committee took up the matter and invited applications by advertisement dated 8/8/2016, subject to the condition that applications for agents for those village panchayats shall be excluded from lottery where selection is made by village panchayat in its open meeting. Stop. There were 229 vacant fair price shops. Stop. Block development officer have provided details of 84 fair price shops where village panchayats have selected fair price shops agents in their open meeting. Stop. Thus, 145 village panchayats were liable to be considered for selection of agents through lottery. Stop. For 15 fair price shops, merely single applications were received, and as such, there was no need for lottery with respect to these 15 fair price shops. Stop. No applications were received for fair price shops of 8 village panchayats. Stop. Thus, 122 fair price shops in different village panchayats were liable to be considered for selection of agents through lottery by the district level committee pursuant to the advertisement dated 8/8/2016, which included the village panchayat in question, that is, village panchayat where an open meeting was held on 8/8/2016 and a resolution was passed proposing the name of the respondent number 7 for appointment as fair price shop agent. Stop. The proposal of the village panchayat was approved by the Tehsil level committee and appointment letter was issued by the SDM Sadar Basti on 31/8/2016. Stop. It appears that due to inadvertence, the fair price shop of village panchayat could not be excluded from the list of village panchayat for consideration of the district level committee for appointment of fair price shop agents through lottery. Stop. Under the circumstances, when the error came to the notice of the authorities, it was rectified and the appointment of the respondent number 7 which was made on the basis of his selection by the village panchayat in its open meeting was continued, which does not suffer from any illegality. Full stop. Over.